let's reimagine the process of progress reporting. Currently, we have limitations that in SAP it's not possible to create a user ID for the temporary employees that are assigned to work for a couple of weeks or a couple of months without SAP license. However, if we will consider like indirect use of SAP that was published on September 13, 2018, currently it is possible to connect to SAP using external applications or external virtual assistants like a chatbot. In this session, we will assume that I'm like an external employee that assigned to work on a turnaround, and I have like a shop paper printed out from SAP. In this shop paper, I have like an order ID and operation number. So once I did my job in my shift, I need to go to my supervisor and tell the status, the progress of one and another operation that I have in my shop paper. I would like to use now a virtual assistant that I can talk to. It's Amazon Alexa. It is connected to SAP On Premise ERP system using SAP Cloud Connector. So what I will do, I will talk to virtual assistant and will report the progress like humans do. What I will do first, I will start custom skill that was developed for this demonstration, and then I will talk like in a humanized manner, and we will see like two scenarios. Once I will report the progress, and it will be immediately captured in SAP, and then I will recognize that progress I reported is incorrect, so I will, using my voice, I will correct my entry. Alexa, start project tools. So now Alexa,
here is Joy, your
us.
virtual SAP assistant. Can I know the work order number, please?
4000174.
What order operation do you mean, please?
10.
Will you give me the percentage of your work progress?
75.
Okay, I have created confirmation 17 in SAP. Would you like to report progress for next operation of work order 4,174?
Now I will report for the next operation 20, and then I will return back to operation number 10, where I just captured 75% of the progress and change it to 50. So let's do progress reporting for operation 20 and then return back to 10 and adjust our entry. Alexa, yes.
What is the appropriate operation, please?
20.
What is your progress in percentage, please?
75.
Done. The confirmation is registered in SAP under number 4. Shall we proceed with progress reporting on next operation in order 4,174?
Yes.
Can I have the respective operation, please?
10.
What is the percentage of your progress, please?
25.
The current progress for operation 10 in SAP is 75%. Would you like me to adjust it with your recent data?
Yes.
So I canceled the previous confirmation and created a new one with internal number 19. Would you like to report progress for the following operation for work order 4,174?
No.
Do you have another work order that you'd like to report progress for?
No.
I was glad to help you. Have a nice day.
So that's what we saw. So we had like one work order, 2 operations. We reported like 75 for operation number 10, and then we reported like a 75 for operation number 20. And after this, we returned back to operation 10, and we reported that progress is 25 instead of 75%. And all this created immediate confirmation of progress reporting in SAP, in transaction AW41. Actually, percentage converted to hours in our case, and then it was like a real confirmation of the number of hours that corresponds to either 75 or 25%. Thank you.